Welcome everyone back again to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your handwriting better on your iPad. Achieving neat and legible handwriting takes a lot of work, practice, and the right tools, and I'll guide you through the best practices to enhance your writing skills on your device. Let's get started right away. The key focus here is regular practice. Just like with any skill, the more you practice, the better your handwriting will become. But practice alone isn't enough. You also need the right tools and techniques to see real improvement. First, let's talk about handwriting practice apps. These apps are specifically designed to help you improve your handwriting by guiding you through various exercises. These exercises build muscle memory, which is crucial for consistent and neat handwriting. Many of these apps allow you to trace and track cursive letters, providing templates that you can practice on repeatedly. This repetitive practice ensures that you develop the skills to maintain good handwriting, even without the templates. Consistent writing practice is another essential factor. Make it a habit to take notes or journal regularly. By integrating writing into your daily routine, you'll naturally improve your handwriting quality over time. The more you write, the more you refine your technique and develop a consistent style. The Apple Pencil is an indispensable tool for handwriting on the iPad. Its precision and responsiveness make it ideal for writing. To enhance your experience, consider adding a silicone grip to your Apple Pencil. This provides extra comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during extended writing sessions. A comfortable grip can make a significant difference in the quality of your handwriting. Ergonomics also play a crucial role in improving your handwriting. Positioning your iPad at an angle using a foldable case can alleviate strain on your hand and wrist. This setup makes writing more comfortable, especially during long sessions. Ensuring that your iPad is at a comfortable angle helps maintain good posture and prevents discomfort, allowing you to focus on writing. To recap, improving your handwriting on the iPad involves regular practice, utilizing handwriting practice apps, and using the right tools such as the Apple Pencil with a silicone grip. Additionally, setting up your iPad ergonomically can make a big difference in your comfort and writing quality. By following these tips, you'll see noticeable improvements in your handwriting. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you guys later.